So today I have a question to ask. Are deleted channel from YouTube gone forever? Unfortunately, if YouTube deleted your channel, it cannot be restored. It will never come back, including all your videos, all your playlists, all your content, whatever you uploaded on that channel. If YouTube deleted that channel, it will never be restored. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome and thank you so much for watching. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much as well for coming and passing by. But please don't forget to subscribe so that we can help our channel grow. Okay. If your channel is deleted from YouTube, this will include all your videos, all your content, all your playlists, even the messages, the interaction you've been having with all your content, all your viewers. Everything will be permanently removed. The only thing that can save you is those videos that you were posting. If you have a backup of your videos, or maybe you save them somewhere, that can only be the way that you can get your videos back. But whatever YouTube's deleted permanently, you will never, it cannot be restored. So this is just a recommendation to back up your videos. Whenever you upload a videos, make sure you have a backup plan in case your channel being deleted, and when it's got deleted, you will never get those videos again. But if you have had a backup of those videos before, so maybe when you create another channel, when things resolve between yourself and YouTube, then you will be able to upload those videos again rather than losing everything. Although sometimes your channel can be disappeared, maybe it doesn't mean that YouTube has deleted your channel. It might be in a sense where YouTube constantly do some safety checks on your platform. Maybe there are some community guidelines that you have violated, and maybe YouTube will just suspend you to see how you can ratify those violations, how you can, maybe you can make an appeal and so forth. That is if the violation you've done is not a major violation that can lead to your channel being deleted. So this is just a suspension for you to deal with the situation. Maybe they will send you an email to give you a guidance on what you should do in order for you to get your channel back. So that's another way where your channel can be suspended. It doesn't mean that they've deleted it or they remove it. It's just a matter of suspension. Sometimes YouTube can also make some mistakes by removing somebody else's channels by mistakes. So this is advisable to you. If you notice that your channel has been disappeared or you can't find your channel, always check your emails. When you check your emails, YouTube might email you to give you the reason or the rationale why your channel was removed, and there you can ratify if there is any recommendation given by YouTube. So follow those recommendations and see how you can retrieve your channel back. It doesn't necessarily mean that maybe they've deleted your channel. Maybe there are some other issues. If it's not to do with violation of the community guidelines, maybe there is a mistake or somewhere. So find out from your emails what has gone wrong. Then you can follow the recommendation from YouTube on how you can get your channel back. Thank you so much for watching. If you come so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments on the comment section below. Thank you. I'll see you on my next video.